Hello everyone! Welcome to Homemade in Canada. It's hard for you guys to stay at home to keep social distance. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest and most delicious way to make bread using beer. In Korea, there is a sake bread made with rice wine because rice wine or beer serves to have fermentation. You can simply make bread. It's crispy on the outside and moist on the inside with nuts and dried fruit. Would you like to make it together?
We need flour, cut walnuts, cut almonds, cut jujubes, cut dried mangoes, salt, sugar, baking powder, beers, Kukipeiper, butter sticks. Put 2 cups of flour in a big bowl and make 3 holes. Cover each hole well and mix them together. Pour 1 can of beer. Mix well and make dough. Add the cut almonds and mix evenly. Then add the cut walnuts and mix well. This is a nut dough. Put 2 cups of flour in another bowl and make 3 holes. Cover each hole well and mix them together. Pour 1 can of beer. Mix well and make dough. Add the cut jujubes and mix evenly. Then add the cut dried mangoes and mix well. This is a dried fruit dough. Cut and prepare 2 pieces of cookie paper to match the oven glass container. Put the fruit dough on the other half of the oven container and spread it evenly. Put the nut dough on the other half and spread it well. Cut the prepared butter stick to 90 grams. Cut the butter stick into thin slices and place them properly on the nut dough. Cut the another butter stick into thin slices and place them properly on the fruit dough. Bake in oven preheated to 360 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes. Then turn off the fire and leave it in the oven 5 minutes until the melted butter is all absorbed. This is the fruit bread and this is the nuts. Cut the nuts in half first. The inside is moist, the outside is crispy, and the bottom is brown. Cut into eatable size. The fruit bread is in the same way. Dried mango and jujube made sweet and delicious bread. This is fruit bread and this is nuts.
How about today's beer bread? The more you eat, the more you want it. I hope you make happy moment by it at a boring time. Thank you. Love you, bless you. Don't forget subscribe and like. See you the next video. Bye.